Hello everyone and welcome again to my channel. Um, we'll be doing a 3D model of a belt tightener. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like. So, uh, the belt tightener is a popular, I find it quite popular CAD model that a lot of people do, but interestingly, I tried to find a use for it and I can't. Like, you check online to look for a use for the belt tightener, but for this particular model, it's difficult to find its application. So for this particular model, you don't get to find online an actual fabricated or casted parts for it. So I don't know, maybe it's me not finding it correct. So if you see, please let me know in the comments. Uh, or share me an actual link where I can find what it's used for. But so far, I don't think I've seen where this is being used. So, well, based on CAD, it's a good part to model, and it has quite some unique features that enables you to use some commands or try out a little trick on how to create your part. So, in terms of CAD, it's good. Well, physically, I haven't seen a real fabricated part. So let's get right into it. So you said it's about height man. Okay. Let's save. So it's actually a belt tightener assembly where it has a ruler, some bolts and nuts uh, being part of the assembly as well as a fixed hinge part. Well, so now I'll just be focusing on the frame. In subsequent, maybe in subsequent videos, we'll do the assembly. Like I said, if you find what it's used for, please let me know. Or so you know somewhere where I can find what they actually use this particular one for. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So I've created a new component. I always like to create a new component when I'm doing any model. Makes it easier for me if I want to do more than one part. Like for this particular one, we'll be doing more than so we'll do more than components here. Says it's an assembly. So, but for now, focus on the belt type now. Frame itself. Okay, so create sketch. Now pick a plane. So I'll work with the right plane. Okay. So by drawing a circle for the bottom. Okay, so change this to construction lines. from the top set. So this is about 140. And this is about 32. This to be 48. So both of them have different thicknesses. So I would extrude the two of them at the same time. I'll do one after the other. So I extrude this one first. Make it symmetric. About 19 mm thick. So that's for this part. So create okay. Let me see if I can actually try and make the sketch visible again. I'll do the second extrude. Select this. Select this. Make it symmetric. Two sides. So this is about 25. See? And now the next thing is web that connects the two of them. So, and to do this web, let's see. So I'm gonna create a new sketch. Still form. Let's right plane. So I want to get the intersection. That's where that plane cuts between these two. Okay. So I can hide these two bodies now. So what I want is I want the line to be tangential to this. So we use this to mirror. As you can see, so select tangential, select this, select this, select this. So they both tangential. So now I can mirror it. So mirror to the other side. Okay, so now reason I'm doing this is I want to make a cross section. So this is not at the center, I would say. See, the circle meets here. So the quadrant will say, but it's not the center, so I don't want to use it center. I want to make sure it's the web in between both of them is tangential to the extruded boards. So okay, so what's the next thing? We're gonna make a plane finish sketch first. So I'll create a plane. So plane at an angle. Click here. Create a plane for me. Click OK. That. Create another one on the other side. Just an angle. Sure. I'm gonna do that. Now, I will prefer to make these lines construction lines. So still create the plane. Either way. So now what the next thing is so I'll create a sketch here. Okay, create sketch. Now hide this one so it's easier for me. I need this 2 point also to project. But project the entire line if you want. Okay, let's just project the entire line. I still want it as a construction line too, so now I gotta hide this other sketch. Okay, so I can hide this other sketch, and then I'll create creating an ellipse. I hope that's selected. Okay. So I create the ellipse. So it snaps to that point. Oh, and I don't want the construction line. So snaps to this point. So I want this to be a web thickness of 12. Okay. So right. So I have this part done. So sketch. We create another sketch. And this one. Try to hide the last sketch also. So okay, for the I'll try and project this. Okay. I'm trying to make this line. Okay, that line wouldn't pick. We pick the edges. Okay. So, so that was from me. If I'm correct. Yep. So we'll do the same again. Create an ellipse. Center. I want it to be 12. So we have our second ellipse. Now all this we're doing with our body being hidden. So right now, foot extrude. We would do a loft, I mean. We're doing a loft. So let's go into the loft command. Let's cancel this first. So this oh okay. So let's lost again. I don't know why it keeps having this section in between. I'm gonna delete this. There is another one in between. Alright. So it's a construction line now. So we'll do lofts. Then this and this. So that's a loft cut spots join. So there we have it. Okay. Now you notice I didn't cut the holes in between. That was just I didn't want to start with that first. Definitely that can be done at some point. Okay. So I have one half. We'll have one half of our frame. We'll have one half of our frame. What's next? I will create the mid plane. Because our part is symmetrical, gives us that leverage. So I'll set the right plane. Now everything I've been doing has been around the right plane. So I'm gonna set it. Total width of this job is about 120. Total width of the part. So and this being at the center, that's 12.5. So it will offset by distance of 80 minus 25. Oh, wrong side. No, we could still do it on this side. Okay, let's do it on this side. It's okay. So, select body, select mirror plane. Yeah, go new body. Oh. Um, sorry. So instead of 120 minus 75, it's that to be. It's supposed to be 95 divided by 2. Okay, so that's more like it. Don't forget to save. Okay, next up we will draw the web in between of the stiffener. So I can either draw it on this middle plane or I can draw it from the right plane. So I'll do it in the right plane. So create another sketch. So go ahead and intersect. Now I can use the first one if I want to, but I just want to use from this. Change it to construction. Click OK. So then again we hide the body. As I put bodies. I'll create the line. Okay. So, so mirror. Of this as construction. Okay. So this part's 4 mm. This part. Select this one. So it takes the same dimension. So we'll have a total height of, let's see, our part is still not fully defined. Okay, so it has a height of 26 from the center part of this. So close up all the edges. All right. Now we'll be extruding the parts. I want it from the center of this to this. Um, so I need to create a mid plane for this. So mid plane, I select the mid plane command. Select this face on this face. You click OK. Make it bigger if you want. Alright. So now the extruding can hide down show the body. The extrude. You want it to join. So to what distance? I will say two objects and to this object. Click OK. So you hide display. So it's one interesting part. We all have the way we all will go about it. It all depends on what works for you. So for me, I'm already creating like 4 extra planes. So so that's one thing that makes this part very good for learning CAD or working on CAD because you get to navigate around with various commands and you just get to find a way to see how you make your parts work for you or what work will finally give you your final geometry. So that's one thing that makes this an interesting model where what the physical part though I don't know. I've seen it in a lot of places online like I said earlier, but that's for the CAD model. But an actual fabricated part or handle display casting to this model I haven't seen. So like I said, if you know where this is being used, an actual application, comment that down below and okay, share with us. Okay, but if this was to be made, like I said, it will have to be a casting. Made of steel, I believe, because cast iron, I believe it's break. So let me know what you think. Okay, so now we go to the holes. So I'll be making, I like to make most of my sketches or my geometries from the center point. I've used from the center plane here, but let me just continue on the right plane since it's reference to the origin. You have a diameter. So diameter of 16. You can make it as two side. An extrude cuts. The I always like save my work all the time because you never know what will happen. And I don't know. It's also come out with fusion, but for some reason maybe that's what something gets to crash and you get in serious trouble. Okay, so I picked this face for this one. Now, say you don't find the center, you can easily project and you get the center of the circle. Well, in this case, better. So this is a diameter of 22. Well, based on one of the models I saw, or one of them, the one I'm using particularly, they saw that one has a keyway as well as a similar diameter with this. Why? I don't know. Like I said, since I didn't see a physical part for it. I can't really tell what's the need for the keyway. Well, I'll do it anyway. Maybe when I'm working on that of the assembly, we'll change that. But for now, I'll just put the keyway there. Okay, so create another sketch. Let me use a surface, just create sketch. Yeah, it's like it's mode. Reverse position, I don't want to capture position. Okay, so we have a diameter of 16. Now QA. I will show it in 7. This is the weight of 2.2, so 2.2 divided by 2. Now this is not the center. Okay, we'll make a coincidence. Alright. So mirror this. Alright, so I can make this construction geometry. So extrude. Right, so save. So we can add some fillets here, just 2 mm radius. Sometimes these things can be tricky. They may not want to work, but I hope they do. So let's see, 2 mm, that's fine. So mm, that's also fine. Still want to create more fillets here, 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 and here, here. I don't select the face because I feel like when I select some parts I don't want to. So you can actually click on the face and put the fillet there, but I'm okay with this. Select this edge. Select this edge. Select this edge. So 2 mm also. So good. Real sense, I don't expect these edges to maybe should go around it. So let's see. Or is I don't know how it should perform. I'll give you 1.5. There we go. About 1 mm. Okay, so you're able to perform well at 1 mm. So let's add some more. I don't know how particular 1 mm is. Just like that's 1 mm. Small. Those are some of the interesting things about modeling. You have to be able to connect it to the real life. There are certain things a lot of folks model that in the real world it's not. That's not it. Okay, so this is our part. So apply material. Let's use the so this is our part, and I hope you're able to pick one or two things. So let me know in the comment section below what I thought. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.